Get ready to transform your typing experience, because we're diving into something that could seriously elevate your gaming keyboard. This is the KAILH Starry Sky Switch box, and it promises a linear, ultra-smooth feel that's supposed to be super satisfying. Now, we've all heard claims about smooth switches before, but these little guys are manufactured by KAILH, a name you probably recognize, and they're aiming for near-perfect consistency and smoothness. What's really interesting is how they describe the feel. While medium to heavy tactile switches have been popular, KAILH is offering a tactile feel here, but with a twist. They mention a lack of preload, meaning no tension at rest, and a smooth press from start to finish. This is developed by KAILH's research department, and the goal is minimal resistance while still giving you that tactile feedback. It sounds like they're trying to hit that sweet spot between a smooth linear and a satisfying tactile bump. These are 5-pin mechanical switches, which is great for compatibility, especially with hot swap keyboards and MX-style boards. The starry sky color is a nice touch, hinting at a premium aesthetic, and the high transparency is designed to let your RGB lighting shine through beautifully. In terms of specs, we're looking at a 50 mA current rating and a 12-volt operating voltage, which are pretty standard for mechanical switches. The contact type is normally open, and the connector is plug-in, making installation straightforward if you're building or upgrading. The real question is, how do they feel in practice? The promise of near-perfect consistency and smoothness with every key press is a bold one. If these switches deliver on that, they could be a game changer for anyone who spends hours gaming or typing. The idea of a switch that feels both incredibly smooth and provides that subtle tactile cue without being fatiguing is very appealing. It's about that satisfying feedback without the jarring resistance. So, after looking at what the KAILH Starry Sky switches offer, they seem to be a compelling option for those seeking a refined typing and gaming experience. They aim for that elusive blend of smoothness, consistency, and tactile satisfaction, all wrapped up in a visually appealing package. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard and want something that feels truly premium, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.